All right, so the return of the blue space beast. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So I drew this one on another video, and it's from another sketch that I did a long time ago. This time I just thought I don't know, make it a little more fancy, make it a little more detailed, make it, I don't know. I just thought, hey, let's just take this one step further. So I added some more wrinkles and more texture to the ears and to the teeth, and gave them some lumps and bumps and more wrinkles. And instead of just the straight hair I did on the first one, I made it a little more curly and wiry. So the idea here was I really like that character, so I thought I'd just revisit him and see what I could do to make it a little bit different. I do this from time to time. I've done this in the past with other stuff. I mean, the original Space Beast was a redo of the paper one I did in my sketchbook. So yeah, no big deal. I mean, there's no rules in all this stuff, right? So along with all the textures, I gave him a different, instead of a flat paint, I gave him some shading and some variations in shading and color. So there you go. I added some darks where the darks go, usually under the eyes and around the cheeks and around the face, and then highlight the high spots. But there you go. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Check you later.